Hello, everyone. So now I'm going to do a video on Memrise, which is one of my affiliate marketers, and a tutorial on how to use it. So this is Memrise here, and I'm choosing Spanish, and my Spanish isn't too bad. I'm not at fluency level yet, but getting there. So this is just a first part, the first lesson here. So learn new words. Oh, make sure I'm sharing sound. Okay, and stereo. Okay.
Hola.
Okay.
Hola.
Okay. So,
Hola.
okay, so I learned that new word, hola.
Vamos. Vamos.
Vamos.
Vamos. Okay, so let's go. Come on. Okay.
Hola. Hola.
Okay, so what he said was
Hola.
hola. Okay, correct.
Vamos.
Okay.
Vamos.
Okay, vamos.
Vamos.
Okay.
¿Qué?
Okay.
¿Qué?
Okay.
Vamos. Vamos.
Okay, so that's let's go. Come on.
Vamos.
Okay.
¿Qué?
¿Qué?
Okay.
Hola. Hola.
Okay, so that means
Hola.
hi. Okay.
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal? How's it going?
¿Qué tal?
Okay.
¿Qué tal?
Okay.
Vamos. Vamos.
Okay, so let's go. Come
Vamos.
on. Okay.
¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
Okay.
¿Qué?
Okay, so that means K. Okay, K, I think that means what?
¿Qué?
Okay, good. And then you can even do some writing. So, hola.
Hola.
Okay, all right.
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal? Okay, ¿qué tal? So I think that means how's
¿Qué
it
tal?
going?
¿Qué?
Okay.
¿Qué?
Okay, so I believe that
¿Qué?
means what?
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal? How's it going?
¿Qué tal?
Muy bien.
Muy bien. Very well.
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Muy bien,
Muy bien.
muy bien,
Muy bien. Okay.
muy bien,
Okay.
Muy bien.
Okay. Muy bien.
Muy bien.
Okay. Very well. Okay. All right. So you can set a goal. You can set 5 words a day or 15 words a day or 30 words a day and get through the course. You could say, I don't want to set a goal for this course if you're very busy. So it's pretty cool. Memrise is very cool. Memrise is very cool. It's among a number of and this is with the free program actually. And Memrise is one of the online software programs that you can use to learn new languages. I just chose Spanish as an example. So have fun with it. And I'll put the link to Memrise in the from my Donna Magazine store in the description for this video.